Let's refresh this page now, and 29 followers. Oh my god. Oh, 21 again. This is crazy. This is working very fast, guys. This is legit, guys. And 11.2k followers. Man, I can't believe this. Hey guys, what is up? This is your favorite guy on your favorite YouTube channel, WizTricks, and in today's video I'm gonna share another kick-ass trick to get Instagram followers. In this trick you are gonna get a lot of followers without even sharing your Instagram password. So let's get straight into this. So first of all, open your Play Store and search for FanLift. So if you guys already have downloaded this app, just update it right now because it has got some new features in it, and I'm gonna discuss those features in this video. And if you guys are new and don't know about this app, just download this app from the Play Store, or in the description I've already given the link of this app. After downloading this app, just open it. Now you have to log in with your fake Instagram account in this app. Don't use your real Instagram account because they may hack your account. So just log in with your fake account. And as you can see, I have logged in 4 to 5 fake accounts in this app. Now all you got to do is to click on this button to get the crystals, and there are 3 options to get the crystals. Here is the hot option, the follow option, and the third one is the comment option, which has been added recently. As you can see, getting the crystals is really simple in this app. All you have to do is to tap on this button right here, and this app will automatically give you crystals. You can also run this app in the background and you'll collect a lot of crystals. After collecting the crystals, click on promote, and there's the option order for friends. Tap on this option order for friends and type your real username, the username on which you need followers. So I'm typing this username and click on submit. Now you have a lot of options, and we will select the second option, 100 followers for 1000 crystals, and click on confirm. And let's wait, and yep. Now let's open our Instagram and see how many followers we will get. Okay, so let's refresh this page, and 29 followers. Guys, this is crazy. This works really fast. Let's refresh this page again and see whether it's working. 21 followers again. This trick is also working as always. So guys, if you don't want to miss tricks like these, just subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, and do like this video. So that is it for today. See you in the next video.